Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News, your go-to source for the latest electric vehicle news and updates. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Hyundai Kona Electric, one of the most affordable and feature-packed EVs on the market. The argument against switching from a gas car to an electric vehicle always seemed to revolve around concerns about affordability, range, and availability of charging stations. However, with over 40 models available in the US market and more arriving every year, it's clear that these concerns are rapidly becoming a thing of the past. The Hyundai Kona Electric is a prime example of this shift. This subcompact SUV offers a range of up to 261 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for urban commutes and daily driving. And with its affordable starting price of just $32,975, it's an excellent option for those looking to make the switch. But what really sets the Kona Electric apart is its impressive list of standard features, including heated and ventilated leather seats, a moonroof, and even wireless charging. And with top trim levels offering over 10 inches of infotainment screen, it's clear that Hyundai has put a lot of thought into creating an EV that truly rivals its gas-powered counterparts. Now, let's talk about the driving experience. As an electric vehicle, the Kona Electric produces instant torque and acceleration, making it feel incredibly responsive on the road. And with its regenerative braking system, it can reduce wear and tear on the brakes, saving you money in the long run. But what really matters is how much money you'll save over time. According to CarEdge, the Hyundai Kona Electric will lose about 45% of its value over 5 years, which is roughly on par with other passenger vehicles. And when it comes to maintenance costs, electric vehicles like the Kona Electric are a breeze to keep. The battery pack, in particular, is one of the most expensive components of any EV. However, Hyundai has extended its warranty to an impressive 10 years and 100,000 miles on both the batteries and drivetrains, giving you peace of mind when it comes to your investment. So, what does all this mean for the future of electric vehicles? As we continue to see more models hit the market, it's clear that the range anxiety of yesteryear is rapidly becoming a thing of the past. And with Hyundai at the forefront of this revolution, it's an exciting time to be in the EV space. That's all for today on Electro Drive News. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you next time.